Thank you, Madam Speaker. Honorable Speaker, on the issue of the composition of the committee as being prosecuted by Honorable Anthony Oluoch, it's very important for us to also remember, and it's unanswered, the speakers that have spoken before me are on record as saying that this was a unanimous decision, and we do not want to dwell on who voted how with the committee. We are generally discussing about the entire report by the committee. And it's important for me, Honorable Speaker, to say this. We understand that at times local politics play when such appointments or opportunities arise during the appointments. I call upon my colleague leaders that let's learn to put our country ahead of everything. My imagination is that even the local politics must have played in this whole thing to reject, that warranted the rejection of Peninah Malonza. However, Honorable Speaker, it is wrong to only use one parameter to deny her. I think if we were to be fair, we ought to have allowed every, if the rejection ought to be on matters that are serious, that affect on, that touch on Chapter 6 of the Constitution, that touch on suitability, but not on issues of, presentation to the committee. Maybe she wasn't dressed very well. Maybe she was on her periods. You cannot start making her. Yes, exactly.
Your time is up. Your time is up. Your time is up.